shoot. Am I supposed to say Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing Who Knows Alex Better.
So today we're back with a new video, and today we thought it would be really cool to film a Who Knows Alex Better video. Excuse the difference in background and lighting. We're currently in Alex's sister's basement. Shout out to Janessa. Basically, Alex is gonna ask us a series of questions, and we have to see who basically get it right. We should keep a point system. If whoever gets the answer wrong, we have this little concoction going on here.
Whenever they get a question wrong, Alex is gonna tell me what to mix up, and we're just gonna mix this up, put it on a chip, and they gotta take it in.
Yeah, so basically
each question.
Each question, yes. So, without further ado, let's jump into this video.
What's my favorite color?
Great.
I can't read that. It's backwards.
Green?
Green. You're right.
Hey!
Uh-oh. Bella.
So I have to take a chip.
Ooh. Alright, let's
Forgot about that.
This first chip of spicy cheese on it. Add some balsamic vinegar.
Oh my god. Good? That's it? That actually doesn't look like a bad chip.
Nope, you need to eat it.
The whole thing?
Smell it first. Eat it.
The whole... Does it taste good?
Guys, this is out and so spicy and it's so cute. That's soy sauce.
It's balsamic vinaigrette.
What's the next question?
Okay. How many animals did I grow up with? And this is
Come
throughout.
on, you...
Let's see them.
Wrong.
I put 4.
My fiance says 3 and Bella says 4. And Bella's right.
Yeah.
Punishment. Let's see what type of chip we make. Dunk it in pickle juice.
What? I actually like pickles.
I know.
Might not be.
That's fine.
I mean, I hate
It
pickles.
ain't even better. It's a scoop. So we're gonna pour some pickle juice up in there.
Ew.
And then let's grab that mayonnaise.
You're evil, dude.
Oh! Oh! You need to look this way. Yes! Look at the face. Look at the face. Now look at that.
It's like you want to instantly spit it out, but you can't.
That's how I was. I was like.
Next question. What is my favorite type of food?
Chinese and Spanish.
Because you like both.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. You know what? The answer is Spanish.
When we both get it right, you gotta take a chip.
Because that was a horrible.
What kind of asshole?
Because it was a bad question. We're not supposed to both get it. So first off, we have to get the chip, and we gotta put some of that hot sauce in there. Make sure it's a lot, not a little bit. It gotta be a lot.
Mustard?
Yeah, put that. Yeah, how much stuff can you put in one?
Whatever you want, Belle.
Now pick the last one.
You could throw a pickle on top.
This is about to be good. This game wasn't supposed to be for me to
Go,
eat stuff.
eat the chip.
Damn it. Next question. Somebody about to get something wrong, and I'm about to make the nastiest chip ever. Smell that burp.
Oh, I have mustard on my cake.
I don't even want to ask this next question because I'm gonna have to eat again. What is my favorite thing to shop for?
Okay.
Okay. What am I eating?
So time for your punishment again.
Yep. The worst thing. Straight garlic.
It's not a lot.
Who eats pure garlic?
Let's put some.
You're gonna have to kiss me after.
Put with some mayo. Good looking chip. The
I'm gonna
meanest.
throw up. Look at all that garlic. Nobody eats that much garlic.
There's water there for you.
You don't even put that much garlic when you make a whole soup or something.
I know, we gotta be careful though because he's gonna have to give us. Is it bad? Do you need one? Some new chip flavors. Lay's is gonna reach out to us.
they want to reach out, I tell them, put some more chips in that bag. Stop with all that air. What were my high school colors? Hold on. Colors.
I cheated.
Red and white. You see? That's a double punishment. Red and gray. We're gonna throw some sweet and sour sauce. We're gonna do French onion dip.
I think it's really good. Wanna know what I was saying?
What?
I was saying that I wanted both of those.
You wanted both?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Even though it's gonna be probably disgusting, you know.
Alright. She said yup. She's only 10.
With?
So. What else would I wash my face with?
Yeah, good point. You're only 10. What is my favorite season? Go.
Oh.
Spring.
I forgot that there's spring is a season. We don't have that in Florida.
Carrot chip. Let's do this chip quick.
Some cheese, some sweet and sour, and some ranch. Really good chip. I just do it. Roll. Oh my god. So soft.
Of course it's soft. Tell them all your
Tell them
beauty
your
secrets.
skincare routine.
I wash my face.
That's our punishments. Those were our questions. They both did a great job. I think
Take over this channel.
I think I'm gonna shut up now. That's what I was about to say.
That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know which was your favorite chip. Like, what was your favorite trio of chips?
Yeah.
Trio.
And then we're gonna reach out to Lay's and get it.
Yeah, we're gonna
Get a bag of them.
Yeah, full bag.
But we were eating
hand-
Tostitos.
Hand out punishment.
Oh, I'll write down my
Last
music.
night-
Y'all better follow me.
Yeah, let's do that.
That says
at Bella 1
12257.
Oh my god.